Everyone. Now welcome to 27th lecture of this electrostatics. Today we will discuss numericals based on arrangement of parallel plates. Now we discuss some special type of arrangements in which there are parallel plates arrangement. These questions are also can be asked in the exam. First two example which I am solving here, they are already asked in the previous year of board exams. This is an arrangement. This is, and you have to find the combination. These are the two parallel plates. All plates are parallel, and the separation between the plates are also same. Separation between the plates is also same. D, D. Now, how can we proceed these type of question? For this, we will always get two ends between which we have to find out the equivalent capacitance. First of all, let this one point is A, second point is B. Let A is given a positive sign and B is given a negative sign. Now, if A is positive, therefore this plate will be positive. If A is positive, then this plate will be positive. Also, this plate will be positive, and also this plate will be positive. If B is negative, then this plate will be negative. This will be also negative, and all the plates which are connected with B will be negative. All the surfaces which are connected with A will be taken as positive. I have told you that if negative is connected with negative, they are assumed to be which type of combination? Parallel combination. If positive is connected with positive, again we get parallel combination. Therefore, this is one capacitor, 1. You can also name it as number 1. This can be taken as 2A, this can be taken as 2B, this can be taken as 3A, this can be taken as 3B, and this is taken as 4. Now, number of plates which are connected with A is plate number 1 is connected with A, plate number 3A is connected with A, and plate number 3B is also connected with A. In front of 1 there is a 2A. In front of 1 there is a 2A, and which is connected with B. In front of 3A there is a plate 2B which is also connected with B. In front of 3B there is a plate number 4 which is also connected with B. Now, if I give this arrangement, which is simplification of this arrangement, you can easily solve, because all the plates are identical and separation is also same, since capacity depends on E epsilon naught upon D. Area is same, distance is same, then capacity will be same. Now, capacity is same. C, C and C, all these are in parallel, therefore the equivalent will be 3C, and your answer will be 3 times A epsilon naught upon D. This is one of the arrangement which was asked in the previous year questions in board exam. Now, next similar type of question we will proceed. Now, next question number 2, second type of question. Suppose we have arrangement like this. This is plate, we can say connected with A. This is connected with B. Now we assume we can give the number A it is say 1, it is 2A, it is 2B, it is 3A, it is 3B, it is 4. Suppose A is taken as positive and B is taken as negative. Therefore, this is positive, this will also be positive. This will be negative, here it is negative, here it is negative, here it is negative. Now between 2B and 3A, you will find that both the plates are negative, therefore it does not form a capacitor. It will not form any capacitor, therefore we can ignore this inner portion. This inner portion can be neglected. Now if we neglect this portion, now we have negative plate connected with the negative. Now we start with A. A is having two plates, one is number 1 and second is number 4. In front of 1 we have 2A, in front of 4 we have 3B, and both this 2A and 3B is connected with B. Now these two capacitors, which is looking very clear that they are in parallel combination, and we get answer 2C. Now next we come to question number 3rd. Now let this plate is A, and this plate is B. Then what this U shape show, this is a connecting wire, conducting plates, but they are neither connected with A nor with B. You can take A to be positive, that the number is 1, this is 2A, this is 2B, this is 3A, this is 3B, and this is 4. Now A is taken as positive. Let A is positive and B is taken as negative. Now if this is negative, then the surface which is close to it will be positive, and if this is positive, the surface close to it will be negative. Now with the A we have two surfaces, 2A and 2B only. If we take this point as A, we have 2A and second we have 2B. In front of 2A we have a plate 1, number 1, 2A के opposite 1 है. In front of 2B we have 3A. In front of 2B we have 3A, and this 3A is connected with the B point. 3B is connected with the 3A is connected with B. And with 1 we have 4. 1 के साथ कौन सी प्लेट होगी? 4. In front of 4 we have 3B, and 3B is connected with B, like this. Now if you are able to modify this arrangement like this, then it is quite easy. These two are in series. In series we get equivalent C by 2, and this is C. These two are in parallel, therefore we get arrangement C plus C by 2. Answer will be 3C by 2. This question was asked in IIT mains. Next question which I am just going to discuss is also important one, and this was also asked in the IIT. I will rub this arrangement. Arrangement number 4. Now we have two plates. One is plate A, and another is plate B. And this is connecting plates, which is conducting or metallic. Now the first step is let A is positive. अब तक आपको मेथड समझ में आ गया होगा. A को हम पॉजिटिव दे देते हैं. A will be positive. Let B is negative. B को negative दे दिया. In front of this positive, this charge will be negative. A positive है, तो इसके फ्रंट में क्या हो जाएगा? Negative. But on this side we have positive charge. Let us give the number. Let it is 1. It is 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, and this number is 4. Now with A, we have two plates connected with A. One is 2A and second is 2B. In front of 2A we have 1. In front of 2A we have 1. In front of 2B we have 3A. 3A. Now 1 and 3A are interconnected. 1 and 3A are interconnected. Then in front of 3A, adjacent to 3A, negative to positive, we have 3B. And in front of 3B we have 4, and 4 is connected with B. This is the arrangement of this modification of this arrangement. Now these two are all the capacitors, all the plates are equally separated and also same area. Now these two plates can be considered to be in parallel. We have 2C and this is C. These two are in series, therefore we get 2C by 3. In this way you can handle such type of problems. You just try the questions. You will get in all the books such type of problems. If you find any problem, you may ask in the group. Thank you.